Just squeeze it without breaking it.
You got a zip lock, you can put it in it and crush it.
I got a gallon.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I like that a lot better than what I was gonna do.
Wow. Science by committee.
Way to go, John.
This is water.
Wow,
You know
what
what?
do you know?
Part of our gig.
Kevin,
In between songs, we can do a science experiment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
Now
right.
you got it.
Okay, John just got part of the Nobel Peace Prize.
Yes.
Okay, he got his name.
He got the Nobel Piece of the Prize, but not all of it.
That's right. That's right. Yeah. Oh baby.
Hey, where's the alcohol? There it is. Where's
Okay.
the... Now pour it in there and then dump the cup
I
into
know.
here so that all of the liquid runs
Exactly.
out.
Well, let me test what that'll do.
Is that the right kind of alcohol?
That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Isopropyl, they said denatured is better, but so yeah, I think this will be fine.
We got plenty of dry.
And by the way, look, there's so much, man.
Yeah.
I mean, look.
Where'd you get that?
Online, plasticine. Yeah.
Where did you buy it from?
Amazon somewhere, just some.
That was to hold the
Well, that was to hold the top in, and then she even put some, I think, around the side. Once you put it on.
Some in there to hold the top in?
Yes, that's what's holding the felt in at the.
So it doesn't flop down.
I mean, this ought to be good, don't you think? Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Yeah, fill it in. This has to work. I mean, look at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, the bottom is frozen.
Hey, careful now. Might start splattering. Little boat.
Yeah. Hey, Sherry, do you need to get over here? Can you see? I already saw them. You guys
saw
get in
one
however.
earlier.
And here's some glasses for seeing close if you want to do that. But.
Oh, I saw. Oh,
Yeah.
that was a good one.
Yeah, it was.
I don't know.
I think 3 flashlights would be perfect.
I saw one there.
We started seeing them a lot when we put alcohol in. Let's put some more in.
More alcohol.
Oh.
There, that's what we want.
Yeah, no, that's not
too
what
much.
we
No,
want.
that was alcohol, babe.
Yeah, it's dripping now.
Yeah, your
George. Stop
alcohol-
it. Yeah.
It's all right. It'll settle out, and we'll.
Oh, I saw one.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Do you need to sop it up?
I saw another one.
No, we're good. Just
Okay.
let him hold his finger over the hole.
I saw another one.
Move the
No,
light
it's
a little
steady,
bit
sir,
this
steady,
way.
sir.
You stay where
Yeah,
you're at.
yeah,
And
that's
move the
good.
light. Oh, look! Get up higher and look down, because I just saw 2 or 3.
I saw that too.
I saw
See
one
that?
right there.
Oh, there's
Yes,
another
yeah, yeah, that one too.
I think it's the energy of the cosmic particle is
Yeah.
exciting the vapor.
There, there,
Get you right along.
there,
It was over here.
Have you seen
there.
him, Sarah? I'm not seeing him from
A
here.
little more to the right, because I can see it. Just get in front of
Oh,
me.
I've seen him
There.
before, and I'm happy. That's all.
In the same place. There.
Oh yes, yes. Yeah, I saw that.
Oh,
That was a good one.
Two
Yeah.
of them. It's like a.
That was cool.
Okay, so you
It was
guys
like
must
a,
not be
There's another
faking.
Oh, that was a good one. Yeah.
Y'all, I have this on video.
It was like a
too.
wave.
A little
Yep,
one.
there, there.
Okay, John did a good angle on going
See,
over
it needed more alcohol.
Good one.
Yeah. Hey, Dave, come over. Oh,
There's
that was
another
like
one straight across.
2 inches long.
Yeah, that
Another
was a
one.
good one.
Hey, Dave, just look into my screen right
Oh,
here.
yeah, that's what they were doing online.
Look there.
Oh,
Yeah,
Oh.
that was a good one.
Oh, that's
Another
saw
one.
one.
Yeah, it went right
Sort of
across.
floated over. Yeah.
Look at my screen there, Dave. You'll
I
see a
am.
whole bunch.
There's
The
some.
bottom.
No,
Bottom again.
yes,
yeah.
yes. And up there.
And up top right, too.
Yeah, there.
Oh,
Two of
John's
them.
getting
On the
some good
left
ones
and
up
there.
there.
Oh my gosh.
Cool.
Oh, and
Oh,
another
we're
one.
going to post
Yeah.
some great videos.
This is
Oh, look at that.
Oh, there's an alcohol drop. Oh, but there's still one on the right.
Yeah, I think that actually is helping. It's
yeah.
making it more condensed.
It's stimulating it.
Man, Holly's not going to expect these kind of music videos.
There goes a good one.
Yep.
I'm getting a cramp in my hand.
John's got a
Change
good
fingers.
angle over here. Oh, no one up there.
Yeah, that's a
Great.
U shape.
George, can I give you some plasticine to put up there?
I want to know.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Well,
Watch button everybody.
Seems to get right to the right, situation, and it just all of a sudden there's a burst of them.
Yep. There were
There's a
two
little
right there.
Wow, I didn't see anything.
Here's a little
Yep,
one.
saw another one.
I know, man.
Oh, that's
Put it
so
up there.
cool. Because Sarah, you could definitely see them on this video, right?
Yeah.
The rest of us is just a drinking story.
I'm not sure which.
Right, yeah. But it's a great drinking story.
I swear,
Oh, that's a perfect angle right there, Devin.
it really happened.
Devin, I'm glad you didn't talk me out of this with your smart science. What do we call this? The cosmic music party?
Yeah, cosmic party.
You matter, every cosmic particle.
There's
Oh, there's
Yeah.
one.
Oh, right, it was right in the
Yep,
middle.
you saw that, didn't
I know what we
you?
need to call our band, George.
What?
Cloud Chamber.
Cloud chamber.
Oh, there. Oh, that was a good
Yeah.
one.
All right, I didn't see anything.
Oh, I saw another one.
I need to see one.
All right. How's that like?
I saw one.
Yep.
There was one. It went like that.
Yeah, that's a good
I
one right
thought
there.
it was like.
There's another one went pretty far across.
The angle really
There's one.
matters, doesn't it?
Oh,
with the
look at
light?
there.
Yeah.
George,
Huge,
look
big
at
time.
there.
There's one.
Oh,
yeah.
Right in the middle.
good. Right in the
Yeah.
middle.
Yeah. I'm watching John's screen. I see more over there than anywhere.
There's one.
Yep.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
This will be interesting watching this video. Every time we see one, we all holler.
Yeah.
Lady.
All right, throw some more alcohol in.
Okay.
It seems to always bring another batch.
We've got some Covington vodka over there.
More alcohol.
Wouldn't that be cool? These
There's
Covington-
one.
Oh, yeah.
There's
oh,
one.
There's
yeah.
another one.
Same
We
one.
need to think of a neat drink for this.
Yeah.
Something with a 91% alcohol.
Cosmic cocktail sounds pretty
Yeah,
good to me.
yeah, 91%, which is what, 50 proof.
What's that?
So
Oh, I know what we could do. We could put an olive in it and call it a Neutrini.
Yo! Yo! Wow!
Good
Awesome.
one.
Two
Yeah.
of them.
I don't know.
I think 3 flashlights would be perfect. Yo!